Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a beautifully restored 1937 farmhouse on 11 peaceful acres. This one-of-a-kind property includes a charming historic barn, silo, and a 6,800 square foot shop. You'll enjoy panoramic views from every angle on this expansive property, which includes 3 fenced pastures. The wonderfully restored 7-stall barn has both historic character and functionality, ready for your horses or other livestock. It also includes a large hayloft. Next to the barn, you'll find the expansive shop, ready for all your equipment needs, with 220 on a concrete slab and extra space for all of your toys. This 5-bedroom home with a circular driveway is ideally situated in a tranquil, private setting. A beautifully landscaped front yard welcomes you home. You'll discover an inviting interior with Brazilian cherry and hickory plank flooring. A dining nook opens to the custom kitchen with solid cherry cabinets, granite counters, a Viking 6-burner cooktop, double ovens, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator. A formal dining room is perfect for entertaining. You'll find a private master suite with a walk-in closet. And you'll love the heated floors in the master bath. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath home has plenty of space with more than 3,700 square feet. It also includes a separate guest quarters above the garage with a fireplace. Another staircase leads to a bonus or exercise room. You can entertain or just relax on the expansive mahogany deck. Other features include a huge 3-car garage, an unfinished basement, and a new roof. Living here, you'll enjoy serenity and privacy, yet you're just minutes from all of the conveniences in downtown McMinnville. A rare opportunity for the ultimate in country living. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Tom Wilser with Premier Property Group at 503-422-6321.